Hi, I'm Professor Larry Louie, and welcome to the EY Tech MBA. Over the next 10 weeks, we'll be going through learning some business concepts, some presentation techniques, all for the purpose of you applying those tools to a real life problem. That real life problem could be an EY strategic opportunity, or it could be a social impact enterprise like the Hult Prize. The topics today will be course overview, then we'll look at the learning journey, and then finally look at the calendar and your deliverables. The challenge. One is the EY strategic opportunity. Secondly, a social impact enterprise opportunity. In this case, we're going to use the Hult Prize challenge. Our tools will be a combination of entrepreneurial tools such as futures thinking and design thinking and business thinking. In this case, business thinking is the business model canvas and customer discovery. Then we'll look at ways to present investment opportunities for more effectiveness and hopefully better persuasiveness. So that's our course topics and how we're going to use business tools to apply it to a very exciting real life situation. The EY strategic opportunity is to identify either an opportunity for EY globally or at your location using the skills and knowledge that you've gained through all your learning through the Tech MBA. And we should be able to promote change in our business or client's business so that they work better. Secondly, you could develop services that unlock new solutions that allow us to provide exceptional service for our clients and other stakeholders. Third, to find ways to improve how we deliver collective intelligence to clients by sharing knowledge across borders and service lines. Or fourth, proposing a new digital transformation initiative that can be implemented successfully within the next 2 years at EY. The Social Impact Enterprise Opportunity is the Hult Prize 2020 Challenge, where it is a sustainability challenge where we want to build a bold business that has a positive impact on the environment. Secondly, to reach 1 million people within the next decade. Your learning journey at the high level is we take innovation tools plus business tools plus perfect pitch leading to a capstone presentation. Now we're going to break those down into more components. So the details of our learning journey are as follows. During the first block, which is, we call it innovation tools, the pre-work was watching videos. Then you're going to be watching further videos of the content for our first workshop. We'll have the content of the workshop, which will be futures thinking and design thinking. Then after that, you'll be working on it with your team to try to find which problem to solve. Choose one of the two opportunities, either the EY challenge or the Hult Prize challenge, then come up with a business idea. After the innovation tools, we will move on to the business tools. Again, we'll have some pre-work, followed by some videos of the content, then the workshop. The 90-minute workshop, in this case, will be on business model canvas as well as the customer discovery, which are the critical first steps in starting any new business. Then we'll have triad meetings. So after this, you'll be pulling together your idea and then pulling it into a business context, and then you'll be testing that idea with members of your cohort and try your ideas out and have a discussion and feedback session. At the outcome of this will be a 6-page memo in the style of the Bezos memo, where you describe your business in a succinct way so that the reader can know what you're discussing and what your thinking is, and then that leads to some Q&A. So that's the objective and a stopping point for us to pause and make sure we have something that is pretty well fleshed out to such a degree that we can move on to presentation. So the third major block is the presentation training. We call it Perfect Pitch. And that's, again, we'll have some pre-work, watch some videos, then come into the workshop where we'll be working on specific skills to tune your ability to develop a logic flow and storyboard, then develop the presentation materials, and finally how to present in a persuasive manner to the audience for an intended objective. That's what we're going to do in the third workshop. That will lead you to preparation for your final deliverable, which is a video presentation. You'll be doing a presentation. Again, you'll be getting peer feedback from other teams. And after your peer feedback and some coaching, you have one last opportunity to revise your video and submit it as your final submission for your capstone MBA. Here's the calendar we're looking at over the next 10 weeks or so. The green represents workshops, the 3 workshops we talked about. The yellow are times where we will have coaching slots available. Once, right after the 6-page memo has been developed by you and you've received feedback from your peers, then we will have a coaching session. And the second coaching session will be after you and your team has presented and received feedback from other teams. And we'll do one last polishing prior to you finalizing your submission which will be on the 17th of January, right? So that's approximately 10 weeks of work. And hopefully all this goes very smoothly in all that's going on over the holiday season and your client work. But we space it out where there is time for you to hopefully have flexibility in order to complete these and enjoy it. We're trying to come up with something brand new, something that gets the creative juices going and allow you and your team to play what if. What if we were facing this problem? What if we were trying to solve this environmental problem? So enjoy this. Hopefully all these tools make sense and you can apply them effectively in your project. See you next week.